Wow, 250 years. We are celebrating 250 years in our country. I'm 69 years young, and I got to tell you, when 200 years came around, I thought there's no way I'll be here when 250 years. My wife and I sat there and looked at each other and we thought, do you think we'll be here on the 250th celebration? Well, here we are. And you know what? What's really fascinating is, who would have ever thought ranch dressing would make us appreciate the country that we have? You see, we've gotten into a situation where their side, our side, the other side, we fight each other. We don't enjoy what we have. We don't enjoy the country we've developed. We don't appreciate, we don't have the gratitude. We look at other countries and they come in here and tell us how great we have it, and we have to take a deep breath and realize 250 years ago, July the 4th, we started down a tough path. And that tough path has ended up in the greatest country in the history of the world. So this year, celebrate 250 years. Celebrate, enjoy, be nice to your neighbors. It doesn't matter what political side they're on, be nice. We're all Americans at heart. We all love each other, we love our country, and we love our freedoms, and let's not take that for granted. So happy 4th of July.